solve the module not specified error in Android Studio. Are you also facing this problem where Android Studio refuses to build or run your project and keeps showing module not specified? This issue happens when Android Studio can't find the right module to load. It usually appears after importing a project, moving files, or when the project settings get broken. Most online guides make it confusing with long steps, but when I faced the same problem, I fixed it with a few simple tricks that always work. First, check if your project has a proper module selected. Open the Run configuration and make sure the module is not set to none. Next, sync your Gradle files. A broken or missing Gradle link can trigger this error. Then, check if the modules are listed under project structure. If a module is missing, re-add it or reopen the project from the correct folder. If nothing works, delete the .idea folder and the IML files, then reopen Android Studio. It will rebuild everything clean. These steps fix the issue for me every time on Rexisht. Comment below if you want a full step-by-step tutorial.